Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the transform function on a layer in the Artflow application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see a dot. Press on it, and right next to it to the left side you will see a rectangular shape. Press on that as well. And now you have to select a layer where you want to do this, and you can see here kind of in the middle the actions category, and there you will find the fourth option, which is transform. Press on it and you can kind of resize the layer like this. You can see you can just move it around. You can have other options down below, like zooming in, zooming out, or just rotating it. And basically that is what you can do with basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.